Hey guys, welcome to PatternLab.London. Okay, so for today's customer question, we have a question from Holly. So, hi, I noticed I have a few profiles that I no longer need and want. Is there a way that I can delete them so I won't confuse them with the ones I want to use and maintain? I'd greatly appreciate a way to fix this so I'm not accidentally using them when I want to download a new block. Thank you so very much. Sincerely, Holly. Okay, Holly. Well, yes, absolutely. You can remove an existing profile. First of all, you want to make sure that you're logged in, as I am. So I'm logged into my account. Click Profiles. So navigate to the profile page, and then here, if you simply select the profile that you no longer want, let's go for Rachel IT12. So as you can see, this is the profile for Rachel IT012. If you want to remove it, you can simply just click the remove button at the top here. And obviously it'll ask you if you want to remove that profile. Now I'm not going to remove that because I quite like that profile, but it'll just simply ask you if you want to do that. And then we can just remove it. So let's go to some other ones. There you go, Rachel New. We can remove this, click remove, and it will have gone. And let's scroll down, Rachel New. We can also remove this one as well. There's a few other options as well. So first of all, let's just go to an existing profile. A few other options up here in our button menu. So we can either create a new block, we can draft our block from this measurement set, we can clone it. So cloning is important. If I click clone, I can enter a brand new, let's say, measurement set. So Rachel New, and then just click go. And what it does is it takes all the measurements from that existing profile, but creates a brand new profile from it. Okay, you can see Rachel New. We can also remove that profile, as we just explained, or you can also print this. So if I click print, it'll open up a PDF page, which you can then right click and then save to your desktop, which is very handy if you want to keep a physical printout of the actual measurements that go into this profile. We also have the measurement sheet. This is really handy for when it comes to, let's say, if you're out and about, you want to record your measurements. You could simply follow our video tutorial and obviously record each measurement in this box using pen and paper. And we have some other fields here as well that you could use to enter information about your client. So really helpful when it comes to, let's say, keeping physical copies of your profiles. We also have the tutorial. So this is our measurement tutorial that I just spoke about, and it just basically goes through all the various different measurements so you can actually fill in that information. So that's really helpful as well. We also have the troubleshooting guide. So if we click on this, if for some reason you're finding that your blocks aren't necessarily perfectly fitting or accurately fitting to you or your client's body, then you can simply just go to, let's say, understanding the basic bodice and torso block, and it gives you a very in-depth, detailed guide about what measurements go into making up your block and how we actually draft those blocks. It also shows you how to correct various issues. For example, if your shoulder's too wide, sorry, your neck width is too wide, or possibly the height of your shoulder, etc. So this gives you all this relevant information that will help you basically correct your blocks. So let's go back to the profile page and let's choose a profile. So once you have your profile and you've obviously removed it and cleaned up your profiles in the profile page, you can then obviously just click draft block, and using that profile you can then start to obviously let's say design your block, which is really helpful. Okay, and then obviously when you're finished you can just simply go purchase, and you can then obviously start to purchase those. I mean, I haven't made some selections here, which is why it's asking me for those selections. There you go, mid-shoulder. And just simply click purchase, and then we have our purchase options. And this is also where you can find the price. Okay, I hope that has helped to answer that question, Holly. And yeah, if you have any comments, then please let us know. Thank you.